Number 73. How to use cucumber for freckles. A simple and very effective way to get rid of freckles is by using cucumber. For this, you need a fresh cucumber. So just take one whole cucumber, wash it thoroughly well, cut it into little pieces like this and then mash it. You can either use a potato masher or you can use your hands. So I'll do it like this. This is fine. You don't need to use more than this much cucumber. Now what you will do is you will take a cotton ball, saturate the cotton ball in this mashed cucumber and then you will apply it on your face. Just apply all over your face where you have freckles. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help to reduce the appearance of your freckles. After 15 minutes, just rinse it off with cold water and then pat your face dry. You can also use a moisturizer after this. Cucumber has a natural bleaching effect because of its high water content and because of its low pH level. It helps to reduce the production of melanin. Melanin is the pigment that causes freckles. So how does it work? So what happens is that when the NRF factor, which is the natural bleaching factor in cucumber, gets into your skin, it inhibits tyrosinase. What is tyrosinase? Tyrosinase is an enzyme that is responsible for the production of melanin. So when you apply something that has NRF, it goes inside your skin and it blocks the action of tyrosinase, which in turn reduces the production of melanin. That is how it works. And this is very good for people who have sensitive skin. So now let's understand the benefits of cucumber. The first benefit of cucumber is it reduces the early signs of aging. The second benefit is it helps in getting an even toned skin. The third benefit is it reduces the redness of the skin. The fourth benefit is it minimizes the appearance of pores. The fifth benefit is it reduces puffiness. The sixth benefit is it has antioxidants. The seventh benefit is it reduces the dark eye circles. The eighth benefit is it protects from UV rays. So now let's see how you need to grow your plants. You can either grow it in pots or you can grow it in your garden. If you want to grow it in a pot, then you need a wide mouth pot. I say this because cucumber plant grows very big, so you need a wide mouth pot and the soil should be well-draining soil. So take some soil, take some compost, mix it well and then plant it. Water should be drained out from the pot. It should not be soggy. The second thing is that you need to water it regularly. If you are growing in a pot, you need to water it every day or maximum 2 days. If you're growing it in a garden, then you need to water it during summers, like maybe around noontime. Just make sure that the water is draining out from the pot. There should be proper drainage. Otherwise, the roots will rot. The next thing is about sunlight. So just keep it in a place where it is getting at least 6 hours of sunlight. If it's a hot summer, then maybe you can put some net so that the direct hot sun doesn't fall on the leaves because it might cause, some damage to the leaves. So better is that if you can put some net, or if it's winter season, spring season, then it's totally fine. In monsoon season, you don't need to worry about the sunlight also because there's cloud, so it's partially cloudy. The next thing you need to do is to do the hardening. So in between the main stem, these are the main branches. In between them, you will see that there are some small tiny branches coming out. So just remove them. You can either pinch them or you can just cut them off. So this will allow more sunlight to come inside and it will give more strength to the main branches. So this is called hardening. You also need to do the pruning. So if you notice that these branches are going too far away and they are not producing any fruits, then it's better that you just cut them off. Maybe you can cut them off before they are hardening, then it's easy to cut them. But if they are hardened, then also you can cut them. So this is what you need to do. This is how you grow it. I hope you like this video. Do try it out. Let me know in the comments section below if it works for you. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.